Okay, you guys have been really bad, and I need to tell all of y'all off because you know about the law of assumption, and you're still acting like a little, I don't know, like spoiled, entitled brat. Like your parents are loaded and you're still crying that they didn't let you like throw a house party or something, or they didn't give you like the best Coach bag. You have the fucking golden ticket to life. Like, this is better than winning the lottery or anything that you can imagine in this world. You literally know about the law of assumption. You have been told the exact steps of what to fucking do, and you're still having a fucking cry. Get over yourself. Do the fucking work. I don't want to hear these excuses anymore. If you want to make excuses, stay in your 3D with the other losers. If you want to be a loser, then just say that. Be a fucking loser. I want to kick out every single person in the law of assumption community that plays the fucking victim and has a little cry, has a little whinge. Because you're equipped with all of the best shit. You have the mind of a warrior. You know exactly what to fucking do. This is better than just getting the guy or going to Monaco for one time or some shit. Like, oh, I manifested for this song to play in the cafe. Oh, I manifested a free coffee. Go fuck yourself. You can manifest so much more than the tiny little thing. Or you can manifest so much more than that loser in high school that you used to talk to. Like, we have bigger fish to fry, and on this channel, I'm only taking the winners with me. If you are a fucking loser, unsubscribe. Because I'm only teaching people that get it. If you don't get it, get the fuck out of here. Keep affirming otherwise. And shut the fuck up about your 3D, about your circumstances. No one gives a shit. Do you want us to feel sorry for you? I'm not going to feel sorry for you. The people that are subscribed to this channel are not going to feel sorry for you because you know what to do. I'm sick of the fucking questions already. Like, height. Fucking, can I manifest this person? Can I manifest going into this university? Get a fucking grip.